Welcome! In front of me I have Zeblaze Stratos and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Before we start, if you want to change the screen timeout duration on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Zero Hour app. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the Zero Hour app on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, tap on the device icon, and here you should see your Stratos watch. Now scroll down, find the option called Bright Screen Time, tap on it, then tap on Bright Screen Time, and here we have the list of durations up from 5 up to 60 seconds. So select duration you like. For example, I'm gonna select something like, 10 seconds, and then tap on Save, then go back. Come on, like this, and we can close the app at this point. And if you wake up the screen on our watch, like this, it should turn itself off after 10 seconds of inactivity. So right about now, I think, something, yeah, like this. Okay, and that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.